So that's the 3 shelters up. Got Brett's here, one for the hammock and the DD tarp. I've gone under the shelter here. I didn't really have to, could just use the tree, but you wee bit of kit I've got there, the Polish Lavu. It's a bit like a canvas tent. You can see inside there, quite cosy. I got the sleeping bag out, I padded the corners down with leaves. Apparently they're quite good and they're quite popular at the minute. Close the doors over like so. Quite bulky to carry, but I think it'll be good for the winter. A hand grenade there. Dave's went for the lean-to. 3 different shelters. Let's see how it works.
I've got a couple of litres in my bag if there's none available here. That's fucking going really well now.
It's good that, isn't it, that tripod?
Yeah. Where can I put my rice?
Just throw it in, I've got my glove.
Lads, I was just in the bushes and I found this special water.
What sort of water is that? Special water?
I think it's like
What is it?
it's called, I think it's like this, like it's indigenous to the area.
Flip, that's foraging for you, Dave.
No, it's like
That's the best foraging I've ever seen.
it's just, what happened was I went on a Johnny Prep Bushcraft course and it teaches you how to turn, like how to find like
Drinkable sources of...
drinkable sources of water. Now let's just have a little taste of this.
Yeah, let's get...
That's free flowing straight from the river, I think.
Yeah. That's amazing. So how do you work it?
I think, let me see, I think this is, I think you have to like, oh I see this, I think I thought, I assume you
That
have to like, open this device somehow.
So what way, like press it?
Yeah, push it down.
No, it's not working. See, it's coming up a bit there.
Oh, right. Maybe
What if I get
put
us
it up.
something to put? So you can price it with this?
Yeah.
Wonder if that'll...
Not gonna work.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I need a thinner one. What's about that?
I think you should put it in the fire first, no?
I don't know now.
Oh, okay.
Ah!
Oh!
What's that?
That's just nature, mate.
Oh! There we go.
That's some seriously good foraging.
I like
Cheers.
that.
Cheers, lads.
See you again.
Cheers, you, mate.
Cheers.
Rice, potatoes and steak. And beer.
Beer.
What else do we need?
Not much really, mate. Not much.
Not at all, actually, is it?
Yeah, it's just the wind.
Alright, then. Yeah.
Look at that, no lights, hardly, just over there. That's it, no lights. No like clouds.
That's what you need.
Yeah.
This is the end of the world I was prepping for.
I know.
Oh, the heat from this fire is incredible.
Do you have the rice?
Alright. Beautiful, Brett. Thank you very much.
A wee bit of stock just makes it terrible.
Might just manhandle a mistake like an alpha.
That's
Cheers, John boy. Thanks, John boy.
John boy.
Mary Ellen. Here's my cooking steak.
Just want to wait.
Have you got something I can munch right out of? Eat it off the back of my hatchet like a man.
If you're feeling it, mate, if you're digging it.
There we go. That's gonna be good, that like.
So now we got you all excited there about the steaks, but unfortunately, because Dave's such a terrible cameraman. Yep. And doesn't know how to work the camera, we've lost all that footage. But I can assure you they were absolutely delicious. Also got a load of grease on the lens, so that's not ideal. But the steaks were absolutely superb, and I'll do a video at a later date of me cooking them at the stones in Camp Monty. So after dinner I decided to get a wee long fire going and try it with new Polish Lavu.
Cup of tea to go. Oh, this is Johnny and his Lavu making a long fire. That's not bad, mate, that.
Good setup in it. And we'll have this, I'll heat it up and then...
So this is Johnny prepping his long fire and his Lavu, and it's sort of a first attempt at his Lavu.
No requirement for a sleep bag tonight, I don't think.
They will be.
Roast in here though. honestly, you should feel the heat in here.
This
Just
tight.
sit here, smoke the pipe up the scran of them on my own, and then I'll have my hanger there for the cooking the food.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, honestly, it's roasting in here. Can't beat bacon off the rocks.
No, you can't. Bacon batty in the field. Bacon good. Good mate, thanks for that.
No worries.
Good breakfast.
So it doesn't look the best because I've got my lavoo in there, but I've just packed my day sack to camp out this time, and I got by no problem. I had absolutely everything that I needed. I think just from a background I've been packing too much kit and using the Bergen, so I'm going to use my day sack for a bit now. That's pretty waterproof, that compression sack, so I can put that in the canoe sack and lash it on, and then there's my roll mat and my lavoo. The only reason I've got so much stuff is because I'm experimenting. I wanted to try the lavoo, so I brought my DD tarp as well, just in case it didn't work. So that would save a lot of room if I'm only bringing the one. I've got my satchel bag, and that's just carrying food and such, and wee bits of kit. And then I brought my blanket, just on a loop to carry that around my shoulder, just again because I was experimenting. I was going to see if I could use it instead of the roll mat. I actually didn't bother last night using it, but I should have. but in the winter, like, that would keep me going, and I could use the DD top for something else, which shows you I can carry all that in my person there, and I could probably survive winter for quite a considerable amount of time. I'm definitely sold on that Lavoo. I'll be using it again. I'll be coming out with just my day sack again, I think, in the future. It's going to be absolutely brilliant in the summer. I can't believe I was taking my Bergen in the summer, but with a summer sleeping bag when it's absolutely roasting, because that's far too warm for summer, I'm going to have hardly anything in there. It's going to be great.